Have you ever wanted to host or build your own virtual summit site and then got tied up in all the tech? What platform should I use? And how do I tie this all together? The truth is, virtual summits are one of the best ways to bring value to a community, to build your list, and to build your reach and the reach of your speakers. There are so many benefits. But it's a lot of work and there are a lot of moving pieces. Like, how are you going to manage your affiliates? How are you going to set up your membership site so that your lifetime access pass buyers can get access to all those presentations for life? And how are you going to present those presentations in such a way that it is a seamless, enjoyable experience for the end user, which promotes higher conversions for your upsells, for your lifetime passes, and etc. Look, I know the dramas of trying to put these summits together. I've been building summits on numerous platforms since 2018 and trying to patch all this together, trying to get this to work with that and this to work with that, like gaffer taping a Franken-site, so to speak, to try to get this happening. So it is a lot of hard work if you're out there trying to work it out for yourself. And I've seen many summits that obviously the host or the person building the site has either run out of time or didn't have the tools required to make these speaker presentations automated and seamless and a great experience, and they'll either just drop you onto a Vimeo video page or something like that, which is fine. Now, like, you are making the presentation available, but it doesn't do a lot to show professionalism and it doesn't do a lot to increase your conversions. As I said, I've been building summit sites since 2018 and we've done all the split testing and all that sort of stuff. We have made the mistakes, we know what works, we know what doesn't work. And I've developed a system, something that is proven. We know that when we build a page in a certain way with a certain structure, we are going to get a high opt-in rate. We know that when we automate our speaker presentations in a particular way, we're going to get a higher conversion rate, a higher uptake rate to the lifetime passes. In 2017, I was teaching at a health college, and a lot of massage therapists and aromatherapists would come in to upskill. And I used to hear this common thread from these people who were already out in the field, that they were having trouble with their marketing, having trouble attracting new customers. And so I thought, these guys need help. And what better way to bring them help is to put on a summit. And prior to that, I'd had the honor and opportunity to be a speaker on a number of summits. So I knew summits from a speaker's perspective. And so I started to investigate what it took in the back end, like the structure of a site, to present and deliver a summit that was enjoyable for everybody. And so in 2018, we launched our first summit and we were very successful for our first try, and then we just got better and better. So I have had experience building summit sites and automating summit sites on various platforms. The first summit sites I built were built on ClickFunnels. Then I moved off ClickFunnels onto another platform I will not mention, and now I'm finally on Groove. And why do I recommend Groove? Well, at this point in time, Groove is an all-in-one platform that offers all the tools you need for the most affordable price. And sure, you can take my method, my structures, my strategies, and you can build these pages and automations on other platforms such as ClickFunnels and others, as long as, of course, they have the features that we need to automate. But you can take this winning formula and apply it anywhere. But the thing is with Groove at the moment is, not only are you going to get an over-the-shoulder how to build all these pages and automate it and put it all together, with a click of the button, you can import the entire template that I build into your Groove account, and then all you've got to do is just modify, so you don't have to start from scratch if you don't want it. But the the course that I'm putting together for you is basically an over-the-shoulder, step-by-step how to take a blank page and then quickly build it out into beautifully high converting opt-in pages, sales pages. I give you two, not one, I give you two templates for presentation, automation. So it depends on what platform you're using, whether they've got specific features that one needs, like the best performing automation requires specific features, which Groove has, and I believe ClickFunnels still has. But if you don't want to do it that way as in template one, or if the platform you're using doesn't have the features we need, I'll give you a second template, which is a workaround and will help you automate your presentations. So there is a lot of work when it comes to building a virtual summit site. Okay, like you've got your affiliate management, you've got to build your membership so that you've got a place to send people to after the summit so they can have ongoing lifetime access to all the presentations. Of course, you need the automation for your speakers' presentations and your speaker schedule and the sales pages. And then on top of that, you'd also need your email autoresponders. So we also show you how to set up all the emails in an automated sequence in advance so that everybody who opts in to view the summit will receive emails at specific days and times to guide them over to the site so they can view the presentations. So that's why I put together Groove for Summit Creators, because I've seen so many questions out there, people asking for help. How do I build a summit site? And with this system that I put together for you, it allows you to quickly build a summit site. Like summit sites can grow 50, 60, 70 pages depending on how many presentations you have. Regardless of the templates that you get and everything else, there is still a lot of work to put this together and then setting up the affiliate programs and all that sort of stuff. But we take you through all of that in the course. So it's all demystified. It's very easy. Like you could do it all by yourself. You could spend the time like I did back in 2017, experimenting and trying this and trying that, spending a lot of time, maybe spending a lot of money on things you may or may not need. Or you can simply get this course and it will show you exactly what you need to do. And saying if you are using an all-in-one type platform like Groove or ClickFunnels, that sort of stuff, it's all done within the one platform. So you're not having to pay out a lot of extra money and you're not having to gaffer tape all these different systems together, which can often break down and cause you a whole lot of grief. Now, for a limited time, I'm offering pilot membership into the course because the course is still under development. Everything is there at the moment, all the step-by-step guides to showing you how to build out your site, like all the pages of your site, your affiliate information page, your speaker information kit, your sales funnels, so your opt-in page, your limited fast action offer, your summit offer, your evergreen offer, all the checkouts, your legal pages, and then your templates for your speaker presentation. That is already there. And as I said, with a click of a button, you can just import that entire funnel, that entire template into your Groove account. But there's also going to be more training coming as I build it up. I want some people in the course now to give me feedback. I don't want to go all the way down the road and finish the course to find I've left something out. And that's why I always like to open it up to a small group, a limited number of people to come through the pilot program, to go through the materials, to put it to work and to give me feedback. And as a thank you to you for doing that, then I'm going to give you the course at half price. So if you're still seeing this video, then below here there will be an option for you to purchase the course, but there will be a timer and there is a limitation. I'm making this pilot program available only to the first 20 people, and once the first 20 people are enrolled, this offer is gone and then the price doubles. Okay, so if you want to build a summit site, if you want to demystify it, if you want to build it quickly, save time, see what works. So like, what I show you in the course is what I have done in my own summits through trial and error. And I show you the winning formula, not only to a smooth, automated, great experience for both you and the end user, but also making sure that it is high converting, that we're using the structures and the methods that are going to maximize conversions, both for opt-ins and for sales. And also, if you do join the pilot program for Groove for Summit Creators, you will also get lifetime access to my course for Groove for course creators and coaches, where I go through and show you how to set up online courses and coaching programs on the Groove platform, which once again is a methodology which you can then take and use on another platform. If you don't want to use Groove, you can take that methodology and put it to work on other platforms such as ClickFunnels. So I really encourage you to take advantage of this. This is something that you can do if you are a summit creator, but it's also something you can do if you are a website creator. If you've got clients coming to you saying, hey, can you put together a summit site for me? Well, now you've got the template and the toolkit to quickly build out summit sites and charge a good high ticket price for that, because summit site development is costly because there is so much work. So it's up to you whether you want to build summits for your own use or whether you want to build summits for others. You can use this course and the templates involved. So once again, check below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.